Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in a different location, as you can see from the sea behind me. I am in South Africa. So we sort of planned a little trip to come here to visit all the family. We usually try and do this every year or every 2 years, but with the COVID and stuff, it's all been blocked. And so we thought, everything lined up, all the family was here, and there was some celebrations that need to be had, and we thought, let's get on a plane and go over to South Africa. And here I am. I packed in my motorbike gear, I packed in my electric unicycle gear, all the guards and stuff that I needed, helmets and stuff. Everything was all packed, ready for this trip. I even lined up an EUC in South Africa to ride when I arrived here, but we flew the day just after the storm in the UK, and yeah, our baggage was lost. Not lost, but it wasn't on the plane. So basically what happened when we landed in South Africa, they announced on the intercom system on the plane to say that they left Heathrow without any baggage. So not even the crew's baggage were on the plane. There was nothing, absolutely nothing. Absolutely bizarre. So we had this discussion about how a pilot that doesn't even know that his plane is loaded up with baggage or not. I was expecting that they would sort of trim the plane to the weight that is in the plane, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like everyone does their own thing. So we now 3 days into our holiday, and we only received one bag back, and that bag has only got like small little presents from the UK for the family, and I think there's one t-shirt, the one short in there, so I don't have nothing. But luckily I've got my camera gear, and that is important, so I can capture this trip. So currently, this is just a quick update. I just want to let you guys know that I haven't stopped making videos, and I didn't. I'm still waiting for the guy from iRoll.co.za to say that we can meet up, so I can organize a wheel. And then I'm waiting for my bags with my wrist guards and my helmet and so forth. But yeah, a bit disappointed. It looks like from what we heard this morning that BA had staff shortages because of the strong winds and stuff, and they couldn't get people to load and unload the planes. But it's like quite bizarre. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update. But as soon as I get the wheel, and as soon as I get some get my gear back, I'm going to try and be on the wheel and get yourself some motorbike and some EUC ride videos, because it's absolutely awesome place to ride here. They don't have any restrictions, and I've seen quite a few guys on EUC, so it is prime place to actually ride. Okay guys, that's just a quick update. I hope you're having a lovely time where you are, and I see a lot of S20 content, and the guys are having super amounts of fun. I'm super jealous, and I hope that I can get a ride on an S20 when I'm back in the UK. I think this guy from iRoll.co.za, he also said that he ordered some V12s and some S20s. And he's waiting for them to arrive. So I'll drop all his information down below. If you ever come down to Cape Town and you want to rent or hire or buy an electric unicycle, then hit this guy up. His service has been excellent so far. Okay guys, I hope you have a lovely time, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.